Okay, business has two different types of cost. Fixed costs, we're the same whether we produce or not. Now, fixed cost is also known as the constant. And then variable costs, they're the same for each unit but change for the total. So this changes depending upon the amount of units that we actually buy. So when you're solving for this, fixed costs is our B in the equation, and the variable cost is the slope, or the A, in the equation. So in order to solve a total cost equation, the total cost is going to be the variable costs multiplied by the quantity, and you are going to be adding the fixed costs to it. So total cost is the total variable costs, because this term right here is known as the total variable cost plus the fixed cost. But most of the time you will be using variable cost for the slope multiplied by the quantity plus the fixed costs. So let's actually try some problems with this. The music record company makes 1,100 CDs. Okay, that would be our quantity. Fixed costs are 9,198. Okay, that would be my constant. And the unit variable costs are 1050. Okay, unit variable cost, that would be the slope. So we've got variable costs. And excuse my English there. How much are the total costs? So we're going to actually write this out. TC equals 1050 multiplied by my quantity plus my fixed costs. So we're going to put it in the equation just as it looks into the calculator. 1050 parentheses 1100. You could just say multiply by 1100 if you wanted. Plus 9198. And that would mean that my total cost is 20,748 dirhams. Okay, so let's try the next one. A factory makes Q TVs per day. So this is my quantity. Fixed costs for the same period are 8,000. So that's my fixed costs. And the variable costs for each TV are 500. Variable costs. Write down the total cost equation. Once again, I need to work on my grammar. Total cost is the variable costs of 500 multiplied by the quantity, and you add the fixed costs. So you've got two different things that you need to be aware that you're looking for. Sometimes you'll look for the equation, and it will ask you for the equation, and other times it'll ask you for just the total dirham amount, in which case it'll ask you for how much are the total costs. So two different things that you need to look at and be aware of.